Not an unnatural desire. In fact, it forms the very essence of our being. Deep within our body lies the honed instinct to dominate and slaughter our enemies.
He wears his heart safety pin to his backpack. His backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Out of his mind, the weight pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. Midday delusions are pushing this out of his head, maybe out of his mind. Out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird. All he knows, if he can't believe it, it grows. And so it goes. He crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Out of his mind, the weight pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a worm from a bird. He's holding his breath after death. Terrified to save his life he crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm from a bird. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bird.
What do you know? I guess I must have been wrong about you. Looks like you still have a little of that killer instinct after all.